When your air conditioning system just isn't making that air cold enough, here are a few things to check out. First, go outside and make sure that the condensing unit is clear of leaves, branches, or other obstructions. Next, clean or replace the air filter. Check the suction line, which is the large line on the unit, and secure the insulation firmly or replace any insulation that's worn. If these fixes don't improve the air temperature, you may need to create some shade for the unit to keep it cooler and help it run more efficiently. If nothing else, give us a call and we'll help you with all of your air conditioning needs.